Thank you what?
Thank you for it. No!
Uh-oh. Abigail's breaking it apart. What is that, Benjamin?
Wrong way. It doesn't go that way.
Bubby, what is that?
What is it now?
Snap circuits.
Snap circuits.
Who got them for you? Who got it for you? Felicia, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yep, there it is right there. We thought it might be a little too much at first, but they pulled it out and went right at it and got it doing all kinds of cool stuff. So it's just now doing happy birthday until Abigail pulled a piece off. Hannah, what do you think about Felicia's gift for you?
I like it. I've already made 4 bracelets.
4 bracelets for yourself and one for Daddy, one for Mommy. You made a ring. Try to make a couple harder things. They were a little tricky, huh? Yeah, but you enjoy it though. And you still have a whole lot left. So, anything you want to say to Felicia, Brianna?
Thank you for his present.
You're funny.
We love you. Bye.
Abigail. Say hi. Oh, looky there. Maybe. Oh, I'm dropping you. Abby. Hi there, boo-boo. Benjamin, stop. Daniel decided he wanted to go to bed early, so he's down for a nap right now. Abigail, hey, look up here. Look up here. See? Why don't you look at me, girlfriend? Anyway, thanks for the birthday gifts. Guys, get up. Watch the baby. Watch the baby. You're gonna crash her. So, yeah. Hope to see you guys soon.